Good. Constituency way.
Good.
Since the development in the course of Kakra.
By the grace of God, so far, town roads in India, there've been a major lifts. Like from Salaga to Bandai Road.
Okay.
And Nanado Akokati so contractors and also are starting to open up the road.
Okay.
And you know, we are doing very well, honestly. Okay. So far, so very good.
Duraplus, where Duraplus goes, water flows, and a week we know water. One of the swasting, you didn't pense no everyone. And Shannon, so mammy said, Richoko, Obamodiana bar station at Ben, Okoho, and ambassador, and Richok ambassador, won't put one Uhuna, where did he? Uto 4 packs of Richoko, 500 grams, Nana 2 packs of the Richoko 1 kilogram now will stand a bigger chance of winning fantastic prizes. And more tuna ne makrene nema hodo bebisi subroyen Tibomodian Shadow. Richoko made from the finest Ghanaian cocoa. Advanced savings and loans so a financial institution Kakrakapa group headquarters Nisi France. Na ebibrem ha amai makoma kono ene ye hia ina no ye wo 2008 ne ba Ghana won krobata makoma kwadu no asemi anton yeda Ghana bro no bi ato ye wo bi ye head office no wo former Oxford Cinema Dynamo Newtown ha malamata ha ye bra ne ye mauska nye usika na wo fi nketenkete bi na ase ye hia ye bra ne ye mauska ba ye de ma wi patro ya de no kura ne tua ene hia ye wo fen 0265 654 771 and at to free number 0800-355-3555 bejo. So advanced savings and loans growing together. National Lottery Lotto Ducha 10 Ghana per di room say obedi sika bocho de bronya e tromusa kosi 27 January 2020 Memphis Niagro pacho chucha bahat sa shenso say terms and conditions apply. Vodafone say unya 10 Ghana cedis ubenya data 15 days 1.5 gigabytes and we say ayi wanya nkunya ode be ye no 1.5 gig pa ade ayi wadi sa de be ye no enye fedi agro esra pa obe kala ne tini na akora foforo wo de anso be dial star 700 hash wo demonstrate Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready fight all sunti unimaduane no ampacho memene de ye be ne memene de bia enwumre no nsia kosi enwumre no nso hwe Joy Prime woni maduane no wade ye be from wa be no e de nko ade 100,000 Ghana cedis eno nko eye wodia fight all enriching lives, unearthing talents, fulfilling dreams. Awake mineral water and so kaho near the brewo. And the customer a woman said, in so way a one for life. One no near the so be a day. They kind of 1 million Ghana cedis at the National Thoracic Center Hall, Kolebudada. Intino Bomodiana Tiasia Mae. Na ejawada o manyado ubeto super no de ya awake mineral water the sesa wo tofe 0262351251 ye bejo so fefefe pa pacho say there Adom TV 9 lessons and carols no be so 21st memory that ebeye e National Theatre shows ni yemi no first show no ye 4 p.m. and you no 9 na Kwame Eugene Benis and Sane and Stroma Kate ne Kwampa band na we ba youth squad de ginem and the second show no so ye Francis Amoguru Stroma Kate Kwampa band na we ba youth squad akro na no so asan de ginem wo e de amount Emilia Brobe ne afei Dada Santo Bega Quest obedwam wo na Christiana Wunu ne won akan na no e ka ho be 20 Ghana cedis penti bo modiana afei e share so sa fama enti bo modiana ko mame why ko 9 lessons and carols no here pa pomodi asem me de be umfendi agro wo be ko ho obe kode amaye MTN so say yenka said the one wonim dada no obe browse sa obedwa 120 Ghana cedis pe holidays nyina obe boss sheshe with the dial star 5057 hash no we stay connected and as wo hu bibia betumi afre na be WhatsApp ya 0244308111 we there for you MTN everywhere you go. And if you see something you need to say something area mu hono if you suspect anything bomodi abo post for man the number is very simple 18555 if you see something say something Ben now say bibi o help so
for you and date quite
and then 19th yes
yeah you be share bi one just afisa 2020 you be share
you no share bi
Debbie this is 2020 na be infie num ni me wo api wi aya me ye afi so I'm just appealing to the conscience of those who have. That's all I'm saying. I'm saying that I'm appealing to their conscience.
Okay.
Say me pacho. Say nyamia ya wadom na wobi. Na obi wo mpotam. Bia akokɔ srɛ kura be din say enkanka ne emma no single mothers no say obetumi anya bi dia no aduane amma ne mma so adi bi. Na obetumi nko ade a ye moam ye nkɔ saafo no moa. Biscuit said drinko bibi kakra bi a obenya bia. I know a lot of people are obi sheda ya na dwen say obeye akunafo moa nti se nyame ato nsem na obetumi nko ade a let's extend a helping hand to especially the needy in our society. It needs not be far. Sometimes ebeka so ye call homes near there, but the people just around where we live baby a yetena ye nyina yamma obi ani na me fa akwan we nso so asre enkanka ne driver for say edu Christmas enkanka ne December obetia ye say akwanhia na we ye nyina yenye ahweyie na yenkomra na December no twam na January ye nyina ye hia ye nyina be ka say Yankopon ene ye de aseda be ma no nti kwadwo medase.
Him say be honorable Matthew Yidamo appeal be to say before.
Oh, Majidi say Sabio, Mamincha tie for na.
For Joseph.
Machia pandai for. Na unu sa machia konkowa market me penyu for bio. God dey mo say me nya kwanya nso na matina chia. Na sana minia no kai no. Bible say me shira na wo so ayishira. Ama won a o maka no. I'll bless you and you'll be a blessing to the others. And you know, it's a very passionate appeal. If you say no bia na benya say the whole year what me atina musa ababeduru emra Christmas yi abai nti onu abi no woni bi na obo ano a sabio there is more blessing in giving than in receiving. It just say woman shira no ba more sene near ogie no nti enasu adepa ena obia so be person sabio obetu kwan ena this is the time so among for bebre so be person driver for bebre be person menyo musika ka wona se be person menyo musika yesra obia so nto no boase omo a omo twika no omo nto mboase na ya wodi na ebe ya wodi na enya wodi de wodi a kire sen kra enya wodi nti no sa apio na me make say driver for no omo nto mboase na omo nso omo tika mu no omo nya kukuduro.
Yes,
it's so important.
Yes.
So important so obi tika mu no obi twika utumi so ka nipa etwi no ka na otwi ne sabi ye ka afun na otwi no eso utumi nya sa kokudro ka chanse menua sa opa ye nyina nsina wo nkwa akọ sa nkwa utumi no otwi ne sa de ase obi ani problem ba ye nyina nkwa na wo kura ne de ese utumi nya kokudro ka chanse ka na otwi no to bo ase na fa ye ko sabi ye twa sika ene ye ko ye twa sika mpunkura na ye nkwa ho ye de ehu ye medase
so medase honorable Ebenezer Oklite Telabi and so bedru honorable net say
nyamiado
me watch it
miso sawo me ba de bia me asempa nearby no Benny issues okay my ba a couple of times but
I'm met to me
me say bia unam America baby
Makwaba
okay Makwaba official panso
I think come to
official
I will say you walk Kumasi na ya we are DB as our bank and we jaye Lubrunya so I mekai wakai men kana fi asa ya ba me bank and fiance ya onye bi da
anu kura mo de o de nche wakai mi de me ya ho bo abi ntino
o say Kumasi say na nka wo ba na ka ho na producers no bi ani age
tell me nim say me meto wa ha no
da bi da me ba en fiance ne onye bi da na nko dem se me ka o asa ya che
ache me da say
kai we de mo shi
me da say uri fi na ko fa
yenchi
entino say tell me can official pa ye be fa kwa we so na dia ma yennuanum Ghana fo nyina enkankan mampanyin dada John Dramani Mahama me mana official pa me ma mi komfo me constituency lower manya krobo chairman ne me executives branch executives me ma omu nyina official pa the me ka chairman say let's continue to sacrifice for mother Ghana esan say de ubeja ato ho no mu na manfo beka ho asem na enye de wo ye sese ubeye we nyina wi ochina ye bebisa say asimesi then no be and into your modia say na menu mi leader kra no or see there's more blessing in giving than receiving and into your modia na kakra ye bitumi to aye de aboa ye potem no yenye na yemfa moa me ba no na metie about road safety issues and I'm raising no in fact a doom rape to say ya na eya na mbisa ho say na nipa ni efi himfa na wo mo ko himfa enura me yese me constituency flash na masamba me see traffic kwa ma time medical do hono mo
oh
enya sem kitwa unse ma late ente ma me late kwa kakra di ba do hai at the same time no so no e ba ne sa ubehu se anka driver fo ni nyina to mo boase a anka sa traffic bebrebe ya nya no anka enchire so sa but ubehu no 2 lanes na kwa koye 4 na koye 5 afi na o mu kuntokwa enura nta fie nya baby obi Mercedes Benz mehu ya o de akopim obi ka echi
oh
adenti oye enyina ye wo lane mu we na ha otu boase a unsu be obenya kwan no akọ we feeling no musa epese owura the next lane no
open tem
obun panyan odi ni ka odi ni Benz na akọ pem obi ka to me hu say papa no pick up papa ni see from no be hwe ono hwe ni ka no ohwe ya ni ka no bibia anye no ohwe papa ni din am say okotra ni kem no koye afi na papa no ni nyina ko anything could can happen. After so no on the same stretch, Bibi Kosu and Rami stress. Who's that Ghana Hanuno? You use sirens. Ubum police for all the security services. Whether one call baby agent and not no. What this siren no be so until when Bibi serious BCA. You take one serious. And the same road, you have people, army vehicle. And then a woman fridge in mattress. And a witchy. Woman so siren. People, ediko. Obi who's idea next time. Say Obi accident and an ambulance biba. You think they will take as serious? Oh, they won't find serious. And the misuse of sirens. Ewo, Ghana Hanu, we have to be very careful. Because there was a time a police bono MPs near Dinina. But I don't want to relax it. What is happening? Because first I road no so obia prison service, fire service, obia for say or no there. They are exception to the rule, which is not so. And another group of persons, motor riders, red in the sun. Red so but sometimes they do it with impunity. Yeah? Flagstaff House and Nimo. Red so police jira moto on betwem no mu twem sa. And I don't know whether they are not supposed to observe road regulations there now. When do we nyina ka ho na accident na eba bebre nti dey be sre ye pentem sorry intem start early. Who started earlier? Who be do on mu early? After so you can about drivers. Say we move over speed. Sometimes passengers. The driver already there. Na untiaso. Na unye say. Say o mi yesa dey na driver no so dey bufu na oye bibi. Afi Jesus na hu amani. Seriously. And you best let's observe at least for this holiday. You best say my register any accident. Yes, because we need everybody alive. There, yes, ubekwa kunya accident na unai baako na mienu betwa na I render disabled untimi nya bibia wo bedding wo obi a wo kura mbo aga amafo baby yi wo medwin here den afi so
na wa na mienu no kura
no oh anything you best pa say those of us road users no if you want to get home early, leave early. Say open say who contema sorry tem na ko because rush and this are the neighbor. The best na ya afen so no ya best AMA KMA all the metropolitan and whatever the street lights chrome one ma this and you too dark
honorable street lights are same way.
Yeah,
there's just a simple solution. Mentia say Captain Smart be to me sit down. Then if you then want to be street light in si ho. Na ya hwene sa.
yeah. Well,
unim say motorway ya the street lights is some.
Time
that's a fact.
Come baby aye residential areas. If you wo bunkum, if you wo nifa.
Yeah.
Wo if you wo bunkum no to one. Don no so dey see the fan no so to one. Na ho na ye kama. Na highways no.
Yeah.
Tema motorway Accra to Kumasi, Accra to Cape highways no. Abaya ye.
But light bill you trust to say street light. You pay for the street light.
Yes, because you are to provide and pay for it. Well, street light this how law na wo no say street light no. Enter wo be see dan na wo light pole be see wa. 48 hours na be ECG for property. Pole na be wo mo dia. Light na boss na wo na be maintain. Yenye. As I'm listening to me enforce it. Na be sense aban come every year bi aban bi obaba bia and a street light oh. And so what's if you then for light is
Captain
N1 is kura light.
Na one na ye asesa aban ye.
And I make can say e ho na more dangerous.
Yes.
We motorway. Okay, NY so. Between Accra and Dodowasi. I mean,
there was a time a brief queen. Na I was so but as I know more than half.
Ghana for ya na kotutua. Chabante your call high court to go to air conditions in your name freeway. Judge Mwete Jomu dear some come out. Yes, you air condition problems about what Mama Judge and the court rise. Now, Mamia court na them. What time I treat you? No 2 air conditions over when and a poor no more the call. Oh, I did she and a woman and a mother away here. So, I think of phobia there, but I'm some service air condition so there be and smooth your air condition call.
And I did back also make Ghana for say. Ghana for sometimes no, we don't care about what is happening around us. You're observant.
That's our problem.
Well, you cry your parliament say. Sometimes you see strange faces. People come there, and
parliament has
no, I'm telling you.
I don't want kind budget and we can say hey. Let's say how be better with the tour for hosa be inside home.
Yes.
Or better finish mu now. Yeah, mu security dey anya o.
You say yeah apuno kaka.
Honorable here.
But you know so gina.
Me say budget say be kan ya me ba ho. Mu security no the poorest security ever in any state institution.
Yeah gusu but the gusu but they can say u security ni wala. We need to obu ho no ma community mu. Oti community mu. Na say who strange person be ho no ma. On my
nobody cares.
On my anything let's take that serious. And say wo ho no so that say what bisa wo mfu say wo kire ho na bibisa. Bon, let's take our immediate environment.
If you see something, you say something.
Yes. Oh yeah, that's seriously.
May I starting fee Honorable Roads Minister Nra. Ben.
Yo, Kojo. Medasi. Niesi Enrana, there are 2 sides.
Okay.
I have my own biases. Say, I like the minister for his spot on action. Nia entwe ene edu baby a ase oma na kuma kosoro a atemdidie ebam. Sa anye sa de a I see nothing wrong with what he did.
Odiatem.
Of course.
Okay.
Oh, because you radios. Miss Odiatem said the video is circulating on social media. The American say our institutions have failed us. Where your minister kohuna all can who you. There are a lot of streets kojo una ma bedu baby ni block no yesi ye no prior notice wo ha no be dia nwe gu kwan ni finfini wa block no o di sini dan obia nka ho hwe na nyama minister ne bufu ye se ekwan no eho no yaye ena oma se no omo de niema gu ho ase ekwan makofa hopen me do ho ne a block waje se ontumi ntwam kra na o se san wachi omo drive fire area ho ne nim se ne airport area ho traffic ne city enti se obi de ne pese wa block kwan oni permission ekwan nankasa so a sembe ne yekanga na ha our song that everybody knows how to sing is that we don't have money enti kakra na anka yetumi aye na obi kwabnane de ne company so ono oye na japade enti ono se nia ye on mind de no. See, that brings to mind how we all care for state property. Enti for me say na no efum yema odi atema. Say he didn't touch anybody. He only called for their arrest. Say yen send them to police station. Let's prosecute them. If they go against the law, why not? Enti and he said something that I find very instrumental. Say nyema nkofo be ye okrom ha no. Ye kom kroma ye ntumi nye.
Sure.
Kwajo woni hwan. Se wakọ
Turkey,
China, wakọ Turkey, wakọ Nigeria, wo ye ne awopɛ. But krom ha, aho what krom ha to ansase o.
Hey,
Bujumbura, I'm telling you, Bujumbura, Liberia for now mo fi ba bi ba, yem pe ba bi mo montena no. Omo no to ansase o krom ha. Christian village ko he. Foreigners and a control ho. Enti say yeah oman ne ye de no say ya ma ye ni amre say ye bebo oman ho ban ene oman na japade ne be jama afofrofo ne ahoho abaye ne ompede a ene na oman ye ni dache. We don't have it. Ne me Japan say where were the city authorities? And now see a Kenya minister, the same minister na yeah under bridge okwa na obi de machines bi a block kwan. Where are the city authorities? Inti babia na minister betumi akọ. This a minister anko ha any ade na say. What kind of institutions are we building? This is man yentumi nya bibia o. No wonder every single thing president o minister o. There are people who are paid. Yonkofo e de oman sika tua wonka. Then omo ye. Say AMA city authorities ni hwan ni omo ni man say e ma twan de okwan ho kwan de yemfa ban eni omachi. Is that all? As I say, me ni bre say ye be hwe ye japade so ye ne ya san hwe say ye ma afoforo ma me say o man. What have we not said? Say China need to me fini krom eba ha be say nsuo. Na when no free China o dey hu say gold e wo manson kwanta. O dey no hu say gold e wo ho. Ghana ni na de ne ko. O say ne kura na o ya ade anya no ukoka he jai. O man no dia. Kro no dia. E o papa dia. This is our thinking. Na yenti ye kura no ya tibi ya kanbi say 9/11 attack ne beba na nka ko Bombay White House but the people say no, somebody is trained to defend their country adena yen kwan de nia e fa man who bia say dan haye say be say be we don't care and all we do is to blame. Enti for me I support him except for I don't want to repeat it except for that portion. But otherwise, calling for the arrest, I support him 100%. As I say, Mamma Yajuma on my near Yakurani, Ghana for 2 coin pen. I want him say, I didn't want to mean your baby, no Baha and no Bay. Who dare you say what you obey myself, baby, don't so keke. You can't do it elsewhere. I don't know a bagana dia. Why do we do it? Why do we entertain it? Oko kape, obi betian, we tunu, unkwan wako school, unkwan na de say. And there has been a bad culture, as it were. Say Ghana, yeah, oh, that's our culture. Officer Ghana and Kwani, your culture. Until it's about time we made every effort to defend what is ours. Near ye diano, young mohumbai. Say ne ba da chinchiri manu so ba. O metumi aka say adie we ya na nanu dijaye. Yes ya beto ye hwe so ye. Ye ko stadium ye hwe so. Ye ko ye we bibia na maintenance culture me say ekwan no this particular road. Say ehonya how will it affect the people? Say, yes, how does it enhance the people's livelihood? I know the Obia, you know, this is a minister and a bansana. I think there's a deficit somewhere in terms of our governance structures. I'll see you here near me.
Obisemin Kancho said, please tell the honorable member speaking that if something requires to be called nonsense, we will call it nonsense. Honorable Martin, you know.
Captain. I perfectly agree with you.
Kwesi, thank you.
Nonsense is nonsense.
What is nonsense is nonsense.
Absolutely. Nah.
I mean, the minister kind of crazy. Also, this is madness. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. This is really madness. Why do you want your parent to block coincidence? The minister, okay, no, your friend, I'm a quarter, and I say,
anyway, Captain, I think so.
Jim FM.
Maybe a video, no. Nah, and Yamin, say, offer, maybe friend offer. And is one of the most disciplined MPs that we have. Very responsible. I can tell you. I'm telling you.
Oh, Honorable Teller, be quick.
Look, as young as I am, he sees me as his leader. That's it. When I command, he takes.
Wow.
And it's not about me. It's about
he respects the position.
That is it. So when I saw that video, I wasn't surprised.
Okay.
Look, BB Parliament, Sabio, those days in the job 600, you know, packet, you know, packets are Obeko Hono, Sabi Pride Bias. Almost say, a packets are growing in me. Ya packet, I hope, tan. And this automatic, this in me by say you have to slot, you have to have a card before you can access that place. I can tell you, say, we need card, we do anymore, or see, no one nanti, no one cock for. Only at Temonia, whom you was my idea, papa, idea moye, and Yamuna Moyo, Yan, and mine. Are you getting me?
Wow.
That is discipline. Absolutely. Well, so when I saw the video, it was fine. And I know he would do it and do it several times. And for madness, if you misbehave, you misbehave.
Yes. If you're a madman, you're a madman.
Are you getting me?
I mean, it's as simple as that.
Like, Captain, look, yet me indiscipline free or my moi. There's no country that can compare itself to us.
Sure.
We are progressing. I'm telling you, in every sector we are doing well. The only area we are not doing well and we are retrogressing is our attitude, discipline. Because any fear beyond so a discipline, you know, Safi and we be any day, any ye. Oh, fear now we are on Kuala Nemunina move, you know, say discipline you are Safi honor, there can never be progress. You know, you too quiet. Captain, me say, into to me, Gina will noom. Over 3 hours, super baby cry is to you know.
Singapore, not quite into so good for
what do you say? What but you can never.
Valida. In fact, in New York City, Obronibi to Tesio, my baby,
Baba Fudge, never can say. Is it? Thank you very much. Honorable Tay,
yes.
You see that as wrong. And your man, you see it as normal. What you see that you cited that instant as an example. It is a total deviation.
Yeah.
But you know you who say normal.
No.
Say na upio no so be anya yuram you don't even care. You see, but you too quiet when you get to that place. As if a different spirit has entered you. You are a different human being. Ubi biasa. Yes, sir. Say bia akwaya no mutu kwan. I don't know the stretch na no mutu ni there. That man, China Nina, so he take you, say, when. Want me, yes, I didn't want to crum that. Or no, I want me, yes, I didn't. Want me, yes, I didn't. But, like, he rightly asks, into minister, bet me who by Biana. President, obey whom by
Biana. Want me micromanage every other enterprise of the country.
But unfortunately, I read a book that says, is it lead without a title? But unfortunately, we just think that it's only people with titles that must lead.
That's right.
How many people are with titles? Just say we are MP. Just say we are minister. Just say we can say radio so man fati unka. Just say we are lecturer. Just say you must hold some title before you can lead. How? On the wako to about you no na wa to about you. Nyanka ni nyina ya wo dia. Oh, that's your responsibility.
Me dey say nkoto ma.
Makwakoto. Nti bibia ne fie kwa na gata atwa ne fie de dan e na dan ni ba bebu a o twen na wa ba be ye hoyie na ni dan no amu say dan no ama ma eho yie dia then wo MP no wan nye wa adwuma. You go to a community, look, sometimes udu baby ana I just cry. This rural electrification here utu ko baby pa hu the way e just shi enua no omo twa madua na bu ebu a no ma omanya blackout, then you the MP will be in trouble, the DC will be in trouble. My life ukono catch am say, oh, this is just that communal spirit, just weed around the poles. What's the one about Trianaka? Can you imagine?
Na jato na uda sumua.
No. After no more do attempt.
I wanna blame.
Oh no, just a one na wama omunya lights. You see, we have to prepare our people. Honestly, something must happen for us to change the way we think. Something that communal spirit now. Sabi o kokra e kwanu babia tutututu. Na munyina ma ba out. Captain, have you noticed something of late? I thought it was like in Sabio Babio Bini. Babia Becobia going to be a man for Amujana Moses and the Mujiska. Oh, have you noticed that thing? Omujiska. Babia, look, I was nominal to say, where area no.
Mohi, oh, Achimota Hayabua.
Babia, Omujana Mujiska. So where's that spirit of? I don't know. We must change, Captain. Look. We talk about these things. We laugh. We must. Something must happen for certain changes. Captain. Look, now Minister, how many days no okay. But me no, and I was talking with some of the lawyers. Say, Captain, that name we be. Omo man sesa ye punishment system, that judicial system na yemfa community service na nkasa de no emfa anya mo say we mo nka ya che omo no sa area ho no
ma prasa
nkombe pra ho sa 1 month da bia no mo pra no mo do no mo sesa ho no na ya make sure so why you clean for 1 month where some of you baby di no court. How many of us will follow that issue na nkosi say da ban nkosi say da
where this one assembly no cry Minister Kase we say so much situate say ebe ye dwan kwa so mbe ye mpo.
Oh, me see enkosi say after today tomorrow is over. But if our system is to let the people serve that same community for 1 month, there be a some amafo betwa mo say mo pra mo do ho mo yi gatamu mo ma hwa ye fefefe, and then eventually no say mo mre so a no mo say yesa de ni bi mo wonya den wonya we obi kokoko wuram no aye no akoda ase akoye se obehwa na na twam.
Singapore dey be nurse ko I am a fool.
Yes. If you hang that
thing, same again.
If you hang that thing,
not the eduma.
Who hang this idea for 1 week kra na. Next time you see the san kwase asem na wuni. By the way na wu hu omu bi be twam na nyina no na ekọ. Na yesa be bibu from baba na yesa be tenase na kan wan asem na twam na ekọ. Nti me there my uncle has done well. I am not surprised. He's a gentleman and he's very when it comes to respect. Look, when it comes to question time. Some are filing questions. Minister Buffalo Ababe answer the questions. Massa, you won't call him to come. By 9:30,
no.
Not the chamber. I am telling you.
Wow.
Or the chamber or answer the questions in you are. That's what Baby Kwano leader Miss Requio Mikosi. Not woman Kwano go. That is it. And for that one, you can't take it away from him. And I think that is a good thing. We must all encourage it.
Okay. Honorable Taylor.
Yeah, Captain. Say ubedi ngwan senche wa obebri ukrumpa. Much as me minister very well. He's a very good friend of mine. In several committees so near day. And therefore na ho brase ni how gentle he is here. Nobody can contest it.
Wow.
Oh yes. Na Senator Kano he's very responsive to Parliament when it comes to
answer
questions being when you approach him, they be amicase no onye lucky say bia na ofrata na na man because money is scar
ofrata money is scar ofrata no onye na do so release scar bia ministry bia
to man minu apenyin ho chi no pa seriously because we share roads contractors are same ni we ni agenda na dane so anything no so react says here enyem nwanwa because pressure no doso e won so pa anything no but you see me hwe picture man tie ni nyina mo ba me hwe me hu broni no o mu na me jaye se me ntie biom me hu broni wo mu
onye broni papa bia
onye na me kan na say ya na me ka siren me ko me baby pi police Ghana police no kwa moto I mean omu moto KDB people na me ko jina baby me hwe say bia na minister bia na say obi na twema me ba bia obroni ta obroni we ni bi ne ka no kra nye CD kra nye we ni ono yamanu moto kid odi you know odi fast traffic mu e dey ko
wa China ni nana
oh me kra so obey China ni so obey whatever
menim China ni bia
and
we Dampare stopping one time quick.
Yes, to put that low. Seriously. Yeah. There are a lot of Chinese in this, you know, country. Omo business are VAT kwa omuntua. Okoto ade o how more VAT. A lot. And a Ghana phone him bebre. But woman, because people are making money from them. They are doing it. How come sir? Obi ton bro hanom on tibi fancy dan China ni beba Lebanese ni beba Turkey ni beba no de sidan o see o no tibi manage ade no o mu ibedi o mu tua to they don't do it well and ya na ebo a o mu we ya na ebo a o mu so percent I block road block ya o mayi o for say o sorry an go yekeke somebody empowered him, you know, him to do it. Anything I can say, we need to be disciplined. Well, we need to be disciplined. Seriously. Otherwise, Maza, because I mean, no, Captain. I mean, sometimes Honma a buffun, say one show so when you be use on palatable, you know, words. Well, it's very unfortunate. And I mean, because me see enra. Your traffic at Chesopa, yeti ping pong, so jaka, and then they won't fridge in mattress. Fridge in mattress, what would they call mortuary and what would they call intensive care unit? Because of that, Nintendo, I mean, you have to open. No, I'm about to say, Ghana. What is all this?
Fire service.
What is all this? Fire service, a prison service, whatever. Woman, you know, sir. Why? 80 for once, you know, police in now what traffic more. You are pen temun ko bebia no. When you say your presence cry, it will bring some discipline. But you yourself, you are misbehaving. Anything you say, sometimes police watch it, among us they are driving on the edge, they are whatever. I'm say, look, most example, you don't do, you know, the right thing.
But you know one funny thing too. I have encountered senior police officers on moment the traffic.
Oh yes, of course.
Senior.
American. Serious.
Sometimes I'm afraid.
Yeah, it's a fact.
Rank and even the vehicle
serious. Enra time as I pick up no ni what the fridge ni mattress no intensive care unit no. Now there was another one. No, me who say me who by say to 1 star or 2 star. Now the traffic no musa. And son oko money or betchilos or whatever. But we know about between basa. Anything no ye pa. And say yen so ye nimra so a omo ba. We ye boa omo ye boa omo. Ye kan galam say whatever ye kan nyina no say do kan no be what do you call it nwuremu hono mo omo ko pie no omo ti China hono mo omo ye den won say bibi hono Ghanaians we lead them ye di no ye do omo ko time na Ghanaians ye galam say bra no now the impact was not as much as this.
Asha why Abedi Kruim close to 25 years.
Yes.
to nim baby a gold kura watching Ghana ni otin kan
ye na ye ko kire no ye na ye ko kire
omo ko negotiate asase no kura
ba ko bi wo Kumasi your friend Leon Chan Leo wedi time a omo ton won papa nwe Chenso ba ko bi wo krum zombie ono ne papa ka ho no mbesi ye wo no Ghana China ni enti ono no omo ba every region bi omo wo China ni a wache ho Lee or Kofodia.
Yeah, that's right.
Lee to Kofodia we did almost 42 years with Kofodia enti edwa omo man sika ye na nso ochi hu baby anema wa omo prisoners na ye release wo mo no ba mbetimi do omako
omo ba kwadwo omo mfa airport
send your airport na visa wi
well
ba friends
enti we na wuram
captain na me kan say o wuramu a wa wie no Lee na o ka say ono Kofodia ya let's use him as an example until no yo hene
onyo hene bado ni baby bibi wo
na say bibi de obi ani baby wo until so boaso gold ho minim
no but see there's another thing
but sometimes you know we just open ourselves and become so vulnerable
yen kan che minerals commission omo na mo license
there's another thing bibi so me observe when ra Afcon for railways are omo ye no o hwe me na me catch obi say me hwe Indian for omo gu kwan we su nyina ye nti no so ampa ejuma omo ye nti Ghana for ntimi nyana ya beji lo omo basa sisa prisoners e dey ba e ba be disca ni bi di akọ
omo ko so mo sa do wakoto
wow you see and people who say ama technology transfer and omo si nkwan because odi nkrofo no ba you give them some training until when it comes to maintenance they can do it but now you see it is one thing with Asian countries see technology transfer
they don't find him the enche
and I think we need to as a country seriously you can local content but
ni koye kura wan hwe ayemfa adwuma na ma no
oh yeah of course
ona body hwe Ghana ha hwe abrofo dodo a abe coach for Blaster hwe sika etuom now for compared to any time a black man is coaching a Ghanaian is coaching
this time
say
is it the same
2000 man your balance
55,000 euros
honorable saying 30 something the okoye na okoda dada 2 years ago as Kwesi Appiah ba no not 55,000
but the American say onu expatriate
demonstrate
expatriate
say Kwesi Appiah kura say wo mo be pam no ekofa broni asa
na say onu no say
Kwesi Appiah no mo
wo mo go pam na enye broni
mo pam na ono na ye one perform
omo pam no but on black emra
but
one assistance
but captain look I want to digress and then we don't like defeat at all yeah problem no enti udi she obi nsa kwan bia e so be fa so asabi o obetimi a wini bia no na so fa so we don't want defeat
baba leader
we are Kwesi Appiah performing abafo coaches in the whole performing
no but
mon champ do performing here
me
abafo coaches when the Africa Cup
captain obi am person obeti price defeat then you make the leadership so nervous
captain
and take panic decisions
the point is that I'm happy say and Ghana Hanum European League chain will be baby
we are see baby
that's a Premier League
coaches no lose 2-3 I don't you fire out lose that's why they pay them a lot until one responsibility no esun I mean football no is thinking on your feet too and yeah the you got them na if you can't think on your feet you must go Entina Kwesi Appiah no baby a odi akodu no he is not performing he should go
no for mbra
omupa obi nso mbra
obi ben
ye ni bi sika no nenye broni
da bi yesi kofa broni wo da wonte de ba say you be Ghana rice nko ade dey be Ghana coach
no but you see obi broni so pass enye mistake because football no egusia from bro
oh asema ne yeke and mama and honorable ya and mom pam erama kokoi Mongo fa British me speaker. I want to question.
O say yes, they say ya ye wo TV.
Asma na mo kai.
But the can say
the ombefa
the can say the can say ono seriously speaking Yamanu me nye ni say obroni krom bia wo hono ma ye be ma coach bi it's opportunity akwa wi akwa baby akwa feel asema na to aso of friends say this man I see the special one of friends say
Morino
they no dey here na say go so mo pam no because we lose 2-3 matches they do you match football score your man
related to Asma Yekin
football penalty kicks quite intimi
related
now what constituency o ka say penalty kick intimi mo ukrom hanya midfielders nkwa na o produce
every coach
pass there be free coach ukrom wa pass nyina no what on small post and from mabo onko bo free kick when you question about him
Kwajo related to this case
the AstroTurf there by no so we ba be bubu amon for name AstroTurf
Kwajo Chief Justice say Enra Chia as Enra Omotenase Chief Justice Obekoi and afofro ebeba. I'm tying this to say ya respect ye dear and na ye mu ye ho abonfia. There's something that as obia ye din Ghana ha so say ade ne mfa no ho directly mfa no ho.
Of course.
Say for obi ho de a ene normal. Honorable mo hwe ni yo mo na mo ye MPs. Say Ghana no, I'm drawing your mind to something, not that you have done something wrong. Me say mo hwe ni ye say Ghana ha ye say obi asua law na nipa no ni mode mo enye papa na nipa mako 100 200 ekon Nigeria kosua law na no msan de bad then they are allowed to practice here. No sabi om ko ho amuntu yeska enye dollar no om di figure na ekọ ho enye Nigeria nko. There are a lot of African countries we are not ready, they are not good. That's what we are made to believe. The same people no ko baby kosua the bad ya and you're a lawyer. What are we doing to ourselves?
No, you see,
what kind of structures are we putting in place? And that is why many comment many can the last you say Professor Mills, see, listen to her statement. I was weak in arithmetic. Professor Mills was kind enough and he passed me. Oh yeah, content analysis. Yes, sir. One now was seen to yes, sir. And obi man somebody considered you and allowed you to become a lawyer. Obey Chief Justice there, I must say you want to maintain standards. What kind of standards? Ye kuanje bibia French me say niam mienu o. Nipa na yeso omo nyaade no. Omo ko ba bia omo san ba be practice ha. And omo ko so omo discover free ha na eko. Eko to school fees. Omo discover free eko e na ko tra ho ko didi. Ya nwene ho. Ghana ni eye o ha bia, there are people who have been trained here as lawyers. They are friends who teach in other countries. They perform exploits. Now I say Ghana legal education nko a bibia ye mmoso me menye law. Minyanya madwene bia da achen dia menya madwene. I don't have to wait for the thing to affect me as an makan wasem. Na hwe ukoye exams. Now fail back when I see you 3,000 Ghana cedis for remarking. Hey, come on. What kind of country is this? That is just to scare you. 3,000 Ghana cedis. Ghana pay and I hear law exams. Now I am Makuma 10. Now pass 8. Or pass 7. Ningina ya shiegu. This all trot and ningina bill. Oh. Yes. What is this? What is this?
Wow. Listen. Enye bibi fufuro.
But is it good?
It is not new.
What kind of structure? Honorable. I'm saying this with passion. Show Obia cultural exams. Yemfa say when you A 7, we fairly 3, and I refer 3. Now you A7 no nyina we say on tungu. What logic is this?
It may sound very logical, but the fact is that you see, pass mark 50%. On the average mark is 50%. That's a unya AAA. Now ubenya F9. No, the count now who striking average. No, now you are below 50. You have failed.
Oh no, but that's not it. That's not what they do.
I'm just giving you that. But the fact is, Bibia, say say who fail a certain number you have to repeat. And your condition who are student to answer now
this is wrong. No, but I'm saying it is wrong. And why are you not made to write the one you failed?
Yes.
We are students.
Yes, you know.
The who should just obey with school.
Yes.
Say at the end of the meal
That's right.
No what
you see, and another thing so I want to say, you see sometimes you make us say obi nya beer na wakwa perform. You see ni nyina ye availability of resources are be chere nkofo na de. So they make us say ebia you see obi wo ho no ma wanye science wo hanum we fi hanum ko America wakwa science waye medicine waye we. The fact is that pressure e wo hanum no. You don't have that pressure na e wo ho no. It doesn't mean that the person is invalid.
No pressure.
No, I mean you have a situation where in one class, tech and some of you one class they about number say 600. Now you know extra one ade. So they make an say. And it you know, say nipa no nya opportunity. Not to office.
And you think there's that pressure to be in America?
Oh, anyhow.
I don't know why you sure.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Say smaller classes 40. 30 say nipa no nya sa out of this 600 no the worst performing student no sometimes you know it is because of the inability to even interact with the teachers no primary be this question here it you know say who lifted that person from sa 600 no come be here when your opportunity we nya one-on-one interaction the person can improve so they make an say it enya say what do you call it you be blame the system I mean the teachers and leaders not too much. It is the situation we find ourselves in.
It's a situation that's not punishment.
Any punishment.
You are not getting me.
Any punishment.
What I'm saying is,
listen.
See, nipa no train now one yard no. I don't hear man who come on throw train no. Not just was control 10.
No, I see.
Why do you have to write 10 papers?
Wow.
When you have passed 7.
Maybe. Na say na ebia no ma bia assistant but me kai your time you go Lego. Who fail it 2 you repeat.
Was it right?
Oh, but what is wrong about that?
No.
Your condition
2 out of what?
2 out of the subjects now.
How many subjects?
How many subjects?
Oh, I mean, you
now we Ghana have to have racing 3,000 Ghana cedis paper. How many people can pay?
But is it fair?
Oh, what? I mean, what? No. Then if you pass the move away.
But honorable,
this subject the
attitude. Look,
honorable, it is not good. It is not good.
Oh,
I'm talking to you as a teacher.
Yes. Would you allow? Let us. You see, the fact is that
you have spoken. You have spoken. Let's interrogate what you just said.
We have just been talking about drivers.
Let's interrogate what you have said.
No, please. We have just been talking about drivers.
Go on.
If we let them find no, they live to call, you know, to say hospital, right? Are you saying say as I say nipa on paracetamol now temperature form out of about 7 drugs? That's a one mouse. We know that's a who. The person will be prisoner.
No, that's a different level of discussion.
It's the same thing.
No, it's not the same thing. No, that's a different level of discussion.
No, you see, let's.
Master, I didn't want to say welcome. You mean tears your trouble.
It is wrong. Exams, Obi draw 1 paper. Maybe about 4 years. Obi trouble 8 years. Finally, you pass here. Oko wenim.
Master, who crack number 10?
Reset.
Na me ma baba chiro na manya 7.
7.
And Ukra alone, Ukra should have even given me a pass. You wait.
No, you are not waiting. You give him the chance to write only the one. He failed.
Because the system and a problem.
The system is not right.
The system is not right.
And if it is not good, we correct it.
So let's improve.
We have to correct it.
Let's improve our facilities. Get more teachers. Get more, educational
facilities. Teachers are punishment.
And punish you. It is a system that has brought,
that the system there.
The fact is that the numbers are huge,
so
we don't have space.
We never make any effort.
And by all means, you see.
But honorable, me the same person. Yes. My draw 7, my pass, my fail 3. Patch me back.
What's the
message? That's something in school.
Say who you mean school?
Because of the point that you shouldn't be thinking about yourself alone. What about your other younger ones? Also
system waiting them omo kura nya kwan ma kire se tie o. Se nipa ne kwatena fie abetro 3 a. As compared to say obetro 10 nyina no, obekọ 10 different lectures. Yes sir.
Okopie wo court hono mu.
Honorable Debbie. Honorable, you are missing that.
Let's leave this thing now. And also go ahead for.
Yeah. Time now. Crowd there can answer.
Oh, Captain.
I can't 5 minutes.
Oh,
I can't 5. Now come on, Bibika. Come back.
Oh, Debbie.
Now come person kadai.
Honorable Taylor.
Maybe honorable na person kadai. Honorable Taylor, no person kadai. No person academium.
What's the person can
Oh, the
baby
baby now will be before because the way I was sick in me, I'm as a war.
Issue and then somebody well, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, maybe you've got something.
No, Debbie.
I can buy some time.
Right. But
Only as a miak.
Me was saying, the can say, the person me training say. Insofar as our educational system need training in this country is concerned, if we don't improve the level of facilities, they will continue to have this problem. Because the problem is not about, say, young person will be cool. The numbers are huge. The numbers are huge. And by all means,
but I am writing.
You need to select some people at a particular time.
But senior high school,
yes,
you need to select.
Yes,
they were failing no, and withdraw.
And no, it is not a professional exam. I be qualified as lawyer, and I say nurse.
Honorable.
The professional exam, some medical school, they will feel
honorable. So I offer send me.
There's a minimum number.
Honorable. Honorable tell me. So I offer send me, and I will clear my school fees, and my cultural exams. Na yesi ma fail 3. Na me ama dream na me say adena yesi ma fail mentias ye. Na me say me kwaya receipt. 3 papers yesi to 9,000. Honorable. But
the fact say yesi to yakano. It takes money. You need to contract somebody.
3,000 Ghana cedis.
Contract somebody
in this country. 3,000
No, I am not supporting
for a paper.
I am not supporting the Sikano. But the American say for remarking idiot. Somebody must be contracted to do it.
By the amount.
Oh, I need it it's for another day.
You know my problem.
Yeah.
Why are we thinking that?
Jim FM. Jim FM.
Access that place. You must suffer.
Yes.
Before you get.
Yes.
Why we behaving like that?
That is what I don't want us to.
I don't know. Is it sometimes?
Where I don't want us to go.
No.
It is not punishment.
No.
It is the system. And then.
So if the system is not good, we correct it.
They correct it. Correct. The remedy no na me man say.
Who remedy now, man?
Let's expand the facilities. Let's employ more teachers. We should be ready.
No, we are punishing people.
That is not what those in charge are advocating.
Otherwise, my brother, Ukra 100 students now work space 10.
Now, honorable tell
you need to
100 students. Now, my cultural exams. Not 10 are passing, 90 are failure. Now, we would like to know only problem. Oh, so only problem. Don't you have a problem?
Well, it's a question mark.
You have a problem. You yourself, right? You have a problem.
But what I'm saying is that, and then you need to select a certain limited number of people. So they make an answer. It is their security services.
That even answers my question.
They advertise. Anybody who qualifies to come. People go and buy the form. Baby. But we know that. What do you call it? Nipa Bese 600 penny.
But the end mean
so you have to use.
Honorable. Fact is, no, first 600. No, more qualify. We are. One band they can. One qualifying time into the college.
Yes, it's the same thing.
What the one call Ghana Armed Forces training New Year. Won't mean can't let me say more than half
the whole process. You see, let's look at education as a process.
Me resist way because
but on my time, sir. It's rather unfortunate.
It's a whole process.
I can't say the other.
Then let's improve facilities. Let's employ more teachers. Right?
That is not what.
Yes, sir. We can train a lot of people.
Maybe a lecturer.
Yes.
And maybe a chum. Ucha 75 unya A.
Yes.
Some penny no. Enya sa 75 nya at the Bayer professors.
Yes.
Or no Bayer professor, we also just unya 80. Is it fair?
Yeah, no, but you see, in some jurisdictions, it also depends on the performance of the best students in that class.
Continuously, we are making those behind disadvantage.
And then
it's correct. Which institution is that?
Which institution is that? I don't have the time.
It's wrong.
Oh, I thought we were off.
We're not 2 minutes.
Debbie, and cut me. You're bad for.
Oh, now at least you say me and my friend. Say you could bring her.
Debbie, over next week.
Debbie next week, Demema. Now when? Remember January.
Now when?
You know,
you don't have a choice.
Debbie,
uncle,
my take home is that let's improve our facilities. Let's employ more teachers. Create space for our teaming students. Let's do that.
Saturday we our whole Rollins time.
And I make can say let's do that.
MPP,
let's make conscious effort.
My didn't feel what you call. My improve it.
Oh,
my expand.
It doesn't mean that it mean to me prefer.
The mean can prefer.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is that munim.
Because here law students will go until I'm Abuja. Because here Ghana law students Abuja. That's why I'm talking this way.
Medical students. Medical students. All other courses.